my Kentucky Derby party. Virtual Kentucky Derby party. Tablescape. The obelisk represent the twin towers of Churchill Downs, and you see my little horses running the derby. I didn't have a lot of roses, so I had to improvise, but this is my garland of roses. And here is my place setting. We have black napkins with marble napkin rings, and we have our little horseshoe plates, and this is my virtual Kentucky Derby party tablescape. And tomorrow will be our actual party. Virtual party. There won't be any people, just me and my boyfriend. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tablescape.